I remember when me, him, and Wesley Snipes were young back in the 80s. They still got some of their money. I look good. I ain't got nothing, but I look good. It's a good life. It's a good life. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Yeah.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to
anything you guys want in the store is free, so grab whatever you guys want.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit is different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't. I feel good, sometimes I don't. I finesse down Western Road. Might go down to G.O.D. I go hard on Southside G. I make sure that Northside E.
Thank God for what's.
You know, say YouTube going copyright me anyway, so it don't even make sense. You know the song, look up the song. Hi Leo, this is your channel messages for the, I did not check the date. You should need to check a calendar, Leo, just like the La Perry police. Anyways, it is the 19th of October, Leo. I'll put my phone here so you can see, Leo. That's... Me not search phone, but the text did a show. You search up my phone, man. What the text say? It said you for meet him again today. You want him there, me and him never there. You want him there, me and him never there. You want him there, me and him never there. My brethren, tell me your brethren for where. Anyways, it's the 19th of October, Leo. So let's go ahead and go into your reading, Leo. See what messages we have for you today. Oh, I was getting something about race card. I'm not sure if it's a race car or a racer, but I'm getting something about a race card. Now, Leo, you know, people will always talk about, you know, the race. You're pulling a race card. They're going around talking about the reason why we won't hire them is because they're black. No, sweetie, it's because you're ghetto. Everything, your hair to your nails, it's just ghetto. And you know what else is ghetto? Bitches with French tips. You know French tips are poor nails, right? I never understood why women did French tips for weddings and formal services. Brody, the basic requirement of getting your nails done is a French tip for porn. Any single ways, right? So Leo, I feel like the race card is something, maybe there's something about, you know what, I don't know if there's something about you don't want to talk about your race. Are you ashamed of your race? Me getting, or you're suppressing one side of your family and you know talk about the other side. Maybe people are saying that you only choose which part of your heritage you want to associate with depending on the crowd you're around. So if you're half white, when you're around white people, you don't talk about being black. You not listen to need you truly, someone not left you lonely. Wind up your pretty little pussy, yeah, gal. You do it like the gal them down at Bally Royal. You're not talking about that. Maybe again, you're half black. Me getting when you're around black people, all you do is act white. You act like the whitest one in the room. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. But I'm just saying, the whole race. First of all, when police don't ask race. Maybe you don't want race to be mentioned. It have to be identified. There's a reason why when they see things in the sky that the government never put there, them say it's an unidentified aircraft. Cool. You have to can identify somebody. How you identify them? By weight, by race, by sex. So I'm pretty sure when they call the police and you're, yeah, we're calling police. Yeah, excuse me, there's a, I see loitering by my window. Okay, ma'am, can you describe the man for me? He's black. He's a black man. He's a big black. He's black. Black like sugar. Sugar, yes, he's black like sugar. Ma'am, sugar is brown. Could he have been Indian? I don't think so, ma'am. Sugar was reaped by the black slaves. Indians own oil. Yes, he's black like oil. Like he's black like oil. Also, St. Vincent's. You know see that the people them is building underground tunnel in on the fucking country and thief the oil. I'm pretty sure in Grenada or St. Vincent's, don't you have this carnival where you walk the streets and paint yourself with oil? Where do you get the oil from? Where do you get the black oil from? I'm sure when you strike gold and you find oil, it's black. I know in a Grenada, when them have certain festivals, them will paint themselves with the oil. Where in Grenada would you dig? Forget oil. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. What is your interest in these foreign countries as it relates to oil? 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 Who said anything about oil, bitch? You cooking, right? Oil. So I'm just saying, the race card came in because usually, back in those days, even before we were identified, you know, Afro-American, when the whole people them did say, you know what, we need to claim our territory, you had to be identified as to which race you did get claimed as, so you could get your blood clot heritage. White people, they get for them own. Chinese people, they get for them own. Indian people get for their own. We never get ours because our race was unidentified. When they brought us from the slave ship, you think them had documentation saying these were black people? Race was other. Race was unknown. You think them put on blood clot where people say you're black? You're getting trafficked. So I don't know what's happening, Leo. I don't know if race does race matter? It does. Different races carry different traditions. Different race carry different anger management problems. Different race love differently. But I'm getting something about you don't want a race to get. I don't know something about a race. Maybe this is something about a race, a competition, multiple ethnicities. I'm not sure if it's being called racism. Like Miss Universe. You see the Miss Universe? With the black girl win. Miss World or Miss Universe where the black girl win. And all the other dumbass hoes decide to turn their back to her and celebrate to each other. Yeah, because they never thought a black girl could have win. Look at that black bitch. You think she can win over we? Look on our hair. Look on our nails. Look on our skin. When you come in olive, all type of shade. And what did Miss World, Miss Universe choose? Them choose a black girl. And must be one other girl. Philippines? Was it Philippines? I think it was Philippines. It's an Asian country. Came over to the winner and hug her. All the other 52 girl them, the white girl them, the girl them with the nice hair, the long hair, the girl them. You see, you're trying to be a Caucasian because you're wearing front lace wigs. All of them they turn their back and jump and celebrate for the second place winner. What did white? So does race matter? It does matter. Go watch the footage of Miss World. It matters. And let me tell you something, white bitches, you're not for blood clot fuck with we. Asian girls will. You should know. Miss Philippines showed it. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Leo. See my phone here. So before you can't send me a text somebody. Unless somebody's going to, unless my shit is wired right now and I'm going to get a text. So now we're going to prove if this shit really was wired all along. Let's go. Leo. First card out is a Two of Swords. I'm getting you can't see something you can't see. And there's a decision that you have to make soon. Now the Two of Swords is a decision that's going to turn into somebody going to get hurt. Either you're refusing to choose, you're going to choose one person, the other person get hurt. Yeah. The Two of Swords. We have the Page of Swords. Okay, so I'm getting something about you want to reach out to somebody. The Page of Swords is usually a communicator. To me, the lingo of the Page of Swords is somebody who you would Google the answer and it sounds kind of verbatim. Like it sounds like something everybody would say. So I'm getting maybe the way how you're expressing yourself to somebody, Leo, somebody know it's not coming from you, it's coming from people. Like you're trying to say, this is how I feel, you know, I feel this, I feel like what you said was disrespectful. But I'm getting something, Leos don't stay that way. You can cuss off Leo, them will always talk back to you. Maybe the thoughts are coming from an air sign. I'm getting you to talk to an air sign, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I'm not sure if the Gemini is telling you to reach out or the Leo you want to reach out, but I'm getting the communication style. It seems very... No, I don't know, this is something about literacy. Come getting how you okay, it's either two things. Maybe you speak a foreign language. Your communication is limited because you're the page of swords. Because me getting you saying something, you don't know if it's gonna work, but you know the majority agrees with you. But Leos speak from the heart. Them don't speak from the majority. So maybe I try to talk to somebody, them not hearing you because them saying, you know somebody in your ears. Maybe somebody keeps saying that to you. Worse, okay, for example, you're a black girl, you date a white man. You know when a white bitch in them ears. You as a white girl, you a date a black guy. You know when a black bitch in them ears. You know. You know, but the things him I said to you, I said, no, me know you, I sleep with you, I have sex with you. You know me white, me know you black. So why all of a sudden these thoughts are coming? You know it's the thoughts of a black. I don't know if white women can tell. Because here's the thing. Why black people will always have the advantage over all of us. No matter the oppression of our tits. Because in black countries, we are taught about your culture. Because on a racist, one will tell on our own kids to don't watch black culture. One will tell them don't watch these. This is nigger music. Don't watch these things. So when white kids start to integrate with black kids, it seems like they're so much more creative. Maybe if the white, and then we as black people, we watch a lot of white sitcoms on our TV because we ain't racist. But you won't see a white channel I give bare black sitcoms like Fresh Prince of Bel-Air or what Brandy used to come in Moesha. That's so Raven. You're not seeing a white channel in a white places that show black, all black cast. The Cosby Show, all of that was black. So I'm just saying that's why black people usually have the advantage because we know about you guys are already taught to not know about us. So when you come in contact with us, we already have an advantage over because we know about uno. So I'm getting something about how you talk. The thoughts are not coming from you, Leo. It don't come from the heart. It come from the mind. You're not an air sign. You're a fire sign. So you will take the gamble. Leo will take the gamble and win, lose. Air signs not really take the gamble unless them know for a fact. If them lose, whatever them lose, them never need to use it anyways. So, yeah. What the did I do? Hello? Please stand by. Here we go. Let's continue the reading. We have the Tower card. Also, Leo, I'm getting something about, I'm not sure if you're living with somebody, I'm getting things are missing in and reappearing. It's a disappear and a comeback. And I don't know if you're accusing of people of stealing shit. And then them say, see it here, I find it here, so. Don't know what this is, Leo. One more, we have a devil card. Yeah, I'm getting shit is missing in and disappearing. So I don't know which demon is a house. You live in a one house. Okay, the house rigged with a, I don't know if I call it. It's a demon. There's a demon where you are. Me getting so you live in a one basement. Me getting you live in a one 5 of Pentacles. Where the fuck are you, Leo? Maybe you want to ask somebody for help, but somebody's like, Brody, is that what you want? You want this person to help you? That would never fucking happen. Like somebody say, I bet you 100 million. That if you ask somebody something, I'm going to tell you no. But we have the Tower. Bam. We have the Devil card. So I don't know who you're attached to. Me getting a cellar. A cellar, not a basement. A basement is insulated. A cellar is attached outside of the house with no insulation. I'm getting a cellar. 5 of Pentacles. Maybe you really need somebody help. But you say to yourself, you don't know, maybe you need a favor. But I'm getting the person you need the favor from, you will say, God can't help. Maybe you never think you need somebody again. And maybe I talk to somebody, you know, maybe much sure about it. Because you're talking to an ear sign about it, and the ear sign is telling you, no, that's not going to work. And you will say, yeah, man, it's going to work. Maybe you feel like, me no. Me getting you say, the only thing that can make this go through is a devil. We have the Page of Pentacles, clarify the 2 of Swords. Again, me getting something about your communication. Me getting something about your lingo, Leo. Or me getting the air sign and tell you this, if you're going to talk to him, tell them this and this and this. Make them feel guilty so them have to help you. Me getting Leo, all you have to tell the truth. Me is the Page of Pentacles. Me not have money. Page of Pentacles don't have money. Page of Pentacles are like to me students. Them get by, yes, them party, but is one guy have a car and 5 people in the car. Is one guy have money and the 5 of them are buy drinks because maybe one guy rich out of the group. Me getting the Page of Pentacles. Me getting something about your finances. The Page of Swords is clarified by the 9 of Swords. Me getting your dreams, Leo, something haunt you. You feel so bad. Maybe you feel so bad for withholding something. The Tower card is clarified by the Angel. And the Devil is clarified by the 8 of Wands. The 3 of Pentacles. Leo, me getting at the Tower hit you and you're going to get saved. Me getting you don't know how. You don't know if this is going to work. You don't know, but me getting the Tower hit. Me getting the Tower hit and a demon is going to come to you and tell you, call this person. And you are said that not gonna work. But me getting the Tower hit. There's an angel here, they're gonna take you out to the tower. But me getting there's something you have to do first. Or I don't know if in order to get somebody from out of the tower, there is something you had to do. Because me getting you communicating the 8 of Wands with the devil. You communicate with the devil. The devil has sent you an angel for rescue you. 3 of Pentacles. I'm also getting 2 guys and a girl. Something like that. We have Metatron, highest ranking angel. Closest to God. Yeah, me don't know if I gotta send you this. Me getting somebody will save you from a tower. Me getting right at the last minute. Me getting I get a hunch for do something. Maybe I get a hunch to show up somewhere or call somebody. Speaking of calling somebody, thanks to Rogers, people don't have to think that I was a sex worker. No, see, I did my recordings and they have been not one notification on my phone. Thanks to Rogers, I don't have to worry about Mike being stopped. So I'm safe. Rogers Network does not provide security. We have Abaddon, Angel of Destruction, Chaos and Abyss. Yeah, the angel. Abaddon, the angel of destruction. And then again we had Metatron, highest ranking angel to God. Me getting I get saved, Leo. But me getting it have to come from you. Because you have to understand, even with magic, sometimes, even with actors, they must say you have to mean the words, you have to feel the words. If the words never come from you, it will come from somebody who is telling you to say things that are smart. That is an ear sign. Yet not an ear sign. So maybe you're trying to do things for I don't know, me getting you try to something and yeah, listen to other people. It's not your thoughts. And when you say it, the magic where you usually can harness, it's not being done properly because the thoughts is not yours. It's like you're being puppeteer for say something. You don't mean it, so the magic not gonna work properly. It have to come from fire. More passion, more energy, more passion. It have to come from fire. Which is crying, laughing, sex. That heartbreak long conversation where you have, that's a Leo. It's also Cancer, Scorpio too, but that's Leo. We have Ophiuchus. So I'm getting something about the healer. We have CIA. And we have Lucifer. I feel, well, Lucifer is an angel, isn't he? Or she, Lilith. Me getting the devil, I said you're an angel. They're gonna rescue you right on time. I'm gonna leave it here. Leo, until next time. Bye.